Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Project Lone Wolf. Well, we're going to be actually trying to create something with your host, aka the mad scientist, TJ Maxx, on this episode of Project Lone Wolf. Alright guys, so essentially the idea is to take this jackhammer application, which is for a skidsteer, and try to rig it to fit one of our excavators. So it's going from that. I'm gonna try to put these bucket ears on there. We got it tacked down. We wanted to go on that. Stay tuned. So first of all, guys, you guys got to get the measurements right. You got to get the right make and model of your excavator. You're gonna order these bucket ears from Amazon or online. They'll ship them right to you. I'm not gonna say they're cheap, but they're not expensive. After you get everything in order, you're gonna, line it up, make sure everything's gonna fit nice and good, and then tack weld it. Once everything's lined up, you're going to want to tack weld it, guys, to make sure that it's going to fit, to avoid having to tear it open once you lay the big weld beads down, guys. You guys don't want to get to that point. All right, so it's not in the way. So I could go right there. Yep, that's going to work. I mean, you'd have to come in more. Right? More. Right there. Yeah, bro, that's good. Woo! Yeah, it's gonna work. Hell yeah! The birth of El Escorpion. So it was about this moment when we realized that the welder we had was shit and we needed something bigger to fortify. Our little Chicago welder from Harbor Freight did a great job at tacking in. But now we needed to lock it in, so I went to a farmer that had a beefed up welder and... Alright people, check this out. It took a while to get to this. I didn't record it because the breaker kept shutting off on us. We had a 40, we're trying to run 50. We got this auger here in the yard that we use for our skidsteer. We don't really use it anymore, so we're gonna borrow these male and female connections to put on our excavator. All right, now that we have the right ones, I guess these are called the boss threads. Has an O-ring on the bottom, O-ring cell fitting. Let's swap these out, see if it's gonna work. All right, guys, I got everything hooked up. It's the moment of truth. So I will now use this crescent to pass a hydraulic flow to our attachment. All right, one side done. Daddy, bro. Fuck yeah. Woo! Fuck yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about. guys have it. It's a success. Stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Project Lone Wolf. Project